maybe it is. It's gonna be.
How do you know that? Did you go to it?
We talked to him yesterday.
Okay.
That's where we got all these potatoes from.
I have shaders on. Yeah, I need Edison and Jay signups.
Holy.
What the heck is... Oh my... What the... What the... What... Potato rates. Netherite scrap 1 to 144. Iron ingots 1 to 1. Diamonds 1 to 14. So 1 diamond will buy me 14 potatoes. I feel like this is overpriced.
What the heck? Garrett, there's dragons! Garrett, you're dragons!
What? Wait, what?
What the hell is happening?
know where you can spend those. I know exactly where you can.
Oh wait, where could we spend those, Michael?
Wow, that's crazy.
Where
I
could
know
we
this. I know a store on the other side of town.
Show us your store, Michael. Show us.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
You guys don't know about this place
no,
yet?
let's go. Let's go.
No, this is perfect.
Wow. There's a place we can spend. Oh god. Look at how everyone's stepping. There's lag.
Wait, netherite?
Let's go.
There's dragons over there.
Wait,
Oh,
14
store.
for 1 diamond?
The
This is not what I saw
store.
yesterday.
The store. This is the store you can spend it
What a
on.
steal! What an absolute
Wait,
steal!
wait,
Where do
wait.
I
Is the store.
Free.
Wait, what are you doing?
Wow.
You're just throwing diamonds in there? And now
What a
what?
steal! What
Where
a steal!
where do the potatoes come?
My hand
Right
on
there.
potatoes.
They automatically drop
Ryan,
out?
you're taking my
Yes,
potatoes.
that's what you're
Wow.
paying
Whoa.
for, Leslie. It took me a week to build this. It
Okay,
was-
okay. It's pretty cool.
And also, June has a bunch of diamonds, so you know.
Okay, when does my discount kick in, or how do I apply that?
Ooh, that's gonna take a while to implement.
It's
I'll
a
be
hot
honest.
spot
That's-
right now.
that-
Okay,
You just
okay,
took my
okay, got
pota-
it, got
You
it,
just
got
took
it.
my potatoes.
That will take a while. Also, because of June
Potatoes?
and Ryan, I put in like a time buffer, so you can't buy more than like hundreds in every 10 minutes. So
Oh.
That sounds racist.
yeah, it is. It was racially motivated. Yes. But wow, you guys didn't hit the cap yet.
All right, I put in 1 diamond. Please present me my potato. Hey! Oh,
Oh,
my
there.
potatoes, they're coming. They're coming.
Oh shit, I got some.
Oh? That's
Wait,
a lot
where-
of
Here, I
diamond.
where
grabbed
did
some
they
on
go?
accident. I grabbed some
What?
on accident.
Oh,
There you go.
Oh my god, this is so worth
wait.
it. Oh my god.
I didn't get enough. I
I
didn't.
just picked
It's
up
a
a stack for no reason.
Yeah, it's a great
This is-
deal, right?
Oh my
like a
god, free
bonus?
potatoes?
Yes, look at
Woo!
Yes, tell your friends.
This is better. This is better than the talent show.
Tell your friends.
Wait,
about
no,
it.
it's not better than the talent
I
show.
got 64 potatoes for nothing.
Oh, Michael, that reminds me. We are having a mandatory talent show where everyone must bring something to present. And so I would like to...
That's-
Yeah. So I can sign you up, correct?
Why are you asking me if it's mandatory?
Oh, sorry. Yes. What would be an ideal
Wait,
date for
isn't
you?
that technically a show and tell?
No, it's a talent show because everyone's presenting a talent.
Potatoes.
But you have to
Yeah.
bring
Potato.
something. Not like
Oh, no,
a
you don't
tell,
have to bring
right?
anything. Well, you bring a talent, sure. Yes.
It's raining
Okay, that's better.
potatoes!
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
bring
yeah.
a towel.
I can just take the potatoes as they grow.
Wait, Edison?
Huh?
Oh my,
Look,
oh
I can
my.
just take 'em, look. That's illegal.
Edison!
That's illegal.
That's illegal!
Also, they're uncooked.
It's raining
Wait, those ones
potatoes.
aren't even cooked, Edison?
Yeah, they're
Hallelujah.
dog
It's
shit.
raining
Those are
potatoes.
dog shit.
But that's not the same.
Wait, do your potatoes auto cook?
Yeah, come up here. Come up and look at my Amazon fulfillment center. Oh yeah, I am gonna do that, DJ. I will be putting a roof on it. Yeah.
Oh, well, how did you do that? Oh.
Oh. So they
Wow.
auto get mined by these Amazon workers. It's
Are you-
okay.
Amazon?
It's okay. They get paid $11 an hour to be at my
Oh,
fulfillment
wow.
center.
No way.
Here, and then when you do this, they'll go and then they'll figure it out. Come on, you'll figure it out, right?
What?
Figure it out. Come on,
Yeah,
turtle.
he figures it
It's
out.
not
And he shits
Oh,
it in the
this?
river. And he just keeps going.
Oh!
Oh my god.
What?
And then he mines it and shits it in the river. And then the river goes down
How
the
is it
conveyor belt.
impossible?
It comes over here. And if you come down here,
Are you serious? This
yeah,
is
and they go in the conveyor belt river. And the conveyor belt river goes into the smokers. And then you can come into the hole down here if you press control twice. Or no, shift twice.
I don't know how to get down there.
Press shift 2 times.
On this block?
Yeah.
Got it.
And again.
Again.
Now one
Again?
more time if you're up here.
Oh my.
And then here. And then here, you can press control. You can press shift and look into the chests here. Look into the chests up here. I cut this off from the rest so you guys wouldn't take all my potatoes.
Wow.
But there's like a
God.
cascade system of the chests and potatoes.
Oh my gosh.
So
Oh
then-
my.
That's
Huh?
insane.
So I'm working out the prices right now, and then when I get them figured out, I'll connect it to the rest of the potato like storage system, and then it'll be just endless potatoes.
Oh my god. That's crazy. Your potatoes are still overpriced, but that is pretty impressive.
This is what you're paying for, the convenience.
I'm down here. How do I get up?
Press space twice.
Alright.
Wow. Oh shit. I don't mean to step on all this. Oh god, get me off. That is really something. This is crazy. I didn't even know the fact that like Minecraft like allows for this too is sick. These are turtles. Yeah, auto grow and then it but you have to plant the seeds, right?
No, they can plant it. If it's not planted, they can plant it if you just give them a full stack of potatoes, or you know, any amount of potatoes they want to plant.
Wow.
So like the first time they just laid it all out on this barren land. They didn't hoe the land though, but yeah, I had to hoe the land.
Holy shit! All right. Well, this is probably the most impressive thing I ever seen in Minecraft. This is so sick. This is actually so sick.
Leslie.
Yeah.
Come over here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the tools are present.
Yes, hello.
I think you've had a rough day. Here, I'll give you one of these.
It's been rough. It's been
been
rough.
pretty
A
rough
lot of
for
people
you. It's
been
been pretty
bullying the
rough.
county clerk. I just want to
Yeah,
see
I've
talent
seen
show
it.
and
Uh-huh.
help people, you know,
Yeah,
perform
yeah.
and show off what they got. And
Yeah,
It's
you're
been
just
rough.
doing what you hear here. This is
I'm
for
just
you.
doing my best. What is ancient debris? This stuff is rare. Wow! Thank you. You're the best, man.
Huh?
I will present you with a baked potato as my congratulations.
Guys, did you see that? How'd she get that?
Is that the one that
What?
you got?
I went
one
mining
more?
for it. I went mining. I worked hard.
What?
Was that the last netherite you got?
How'd you get that?
I worked hard for
In
it.
the overworld.
I worked hard for it.
Wait a
Guys, I
second.
think she just cheated.
What do you mean cheated? I
What?
didn't
just
cheat.
hacked it in.
No, I didn't hack it. I don't have those powers.
I think he just hacked it in.
You guys
But
wanna
you
know the truth?
DJ, you know.
Mia
it's 'cause
gave it to
DJ's
me.
On.
Oh.
DJ's on.
Yeah, DJ gave it to me. Blame him.
That's awfully convenient, isn't
She's
it?
abusing her powers. It's
No.
crazy.
No, I'm not abusing my powers. I'm hiding in this hole. You don't see me. Goodbye.
That's very suspicious. You can't even close the hole.
How do I close the hole? Oh, hi, DJ.
You can't even
Ah!
close the hole.
No, I can. I can close the hole, and I will.